So, Angel, my question is, how can you explain oxygen cycle?
The oxygen cycle. The oxygen cycle. First, the water vapor is sent to the clouds. Then the clouds collected and turned it into rain. From this, the rain provides water to the plants. The plants then get their water. From this, the carbon dioxide develops into oxygen. They transfer that oxygen outside. Then humans and animals start breathing from it. Then the carbon dioxide is released and given to the plants. From this, the cycle is repeated again.
And my next is a question that how will you define air pollution and what are its causes and effects?
Air pollution. Air pollution is a very bad effect. Air pollution happens whenever unwanted things are sent to air. This causes the air to start getting unclean. This happens due to smoke from vehicles. Since the vehicles accesses are used a lot widely right now, and from the amount of trees and plants we are cutting down. Trees collect the carbon dioxide. Without any of them, the carbon dioxide would be able to spread freely. We can. There are also because of the burning and factories releasing pollutionate air and chemicals and burning of items. From this, its effects are very bad. The air we are breathing could get us to cause sick. We can also get we can get really sick. The air can be really unclean, causing our eyesight to be really bad sometimes. That's why we should try to keep the air clean.
And was the thick blanket of air?
The thick blanket of air. The thick blanket of air is like a blanket covering the earth. This traps the entire air inside so that none of the air escapes out of earth. From this, the air we are breathing is trapped in the atmosphere.
Uh, okay, although carbon dioxide is helpful in the photosynthesis, its excess may be harmful for us. Why?
Carbon dioxide Carbon dioxide is very crucial. However, excess of carbon dioxide is very bad because this carbon dioxide has a chance of replacing our oxygen. From this, it can replace our breathing air. And carbon dioxide is also advised a little bit harmful for humans and animals. This can cause this can cause us to have breathing problems and get sick. That's why we need to balance carbon dioxide and other components.
Thank you so much for giving information regarding the science.